Excellent. Down. Excellent. Bad, I didn't get much of a piece, did I? Oh, yeah. Shift left. Nicely done. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty darn cool. Shift right. Excellent. Excellent. So you got to be careful because now she's going to be adding such a repertoire. If you're interested, don't start quick. If you ask her to do something and she does something else that's cool, play around with whether or not you should really mark that or save that for another day. However, there are times, and this is again your call, where like I was teaching my dog Stay, and I had her staying, and I went further away, and then she started crawling on the floor, and I thought, you know, Stay will come. That is cool. And I clicked that, and I taught her to crawl, and I taught her to where I would shoot her, and she'd drop down, and she'd roll over, she'd crawl over to me, and I'd go bang, bang, and she'd roll over and die. The only thing I couldn't get her to stop doing was whacking her tail, and she would not do it in front of people. She was too like shy. But it was really a fun trick, and it was just by knowing how to click and just showing that you can take advantage of behaviors they offer you. And she offers a lot of behaviors. Shift left. Excellent.